Of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go.
Everyone dreams of glowing skin that's radiant and flawless all day long. As always at Glamrs, we have a simple solution to this very real problem. More often than not, our skin looks dull because it's super dry. So what you need is a moisturizing sheet mask, the ultimate cheat sheet to a stunning glow. Make your own in minutes by mixing together half a cup of rice water, 2 tablespoons of aloe gel, and 1 tablespoon of glycerin, and then throw in a couple of compressed sheet masks. Let it work for 15 minutes for instantly revived, dewy skin. While we love our skincare routines, what you really need is that one hero product to tackle all your problems. So we made Dream Skin. It's an ultra-light facial oil that's super nourishing yet fast absorbing, which means it's perfect for you no matter your skin type. It has some of the most in-demand ingredients like bakuchiol, a natural retinol alternative, tamannu oil to even out pigmentation, antioxidant-rich saffron to help you age gracefully, and nourishing apricot oil too. As the last step of your skincare routine, take just a couple drops of this dream in a bottle and massage it into your skin in upward motions till it sinks in. Apply any excess on your lips as a hydrating lip oil, or use it before your makeup for the perfect radiant look. So are you ready to get the skin of your dreams? Take your serum or facial oil to the next level by adding an anti-aging face massage into your routine. Grab your favorite facial tool. Make sure your skin is well moisturized and start from your neck in light upward strokes. Then move upwards and outwards on your chin, cheeks, eyes, and forehead. This drains excess fluids, increases blood circulation, and helps your product sink deep into your skin to give you some long-lasting radiance. Good things take time, but great things like a glowing complexion are totally worth the extra effort. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.